Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Dropbox. Keeping the desktop app updated can bring bug fixes, security improvements, and better compatibility. In this guide, I'll show you how to check for updates and update Dropbox on your computer. First, open Dropbox on your computer and click the Dropbox icon in the taskbar on Windows or the menu bar on Mac. Open the available preferences or settings and look for the version information. This helps you confirm whether an update may be needed. Next, check whether Dropbox is already offering an update. Depending on your version and operating system, you may see an update notification directly in the Dropbox menu. If an update is available, select the option to install it and follow the instructions. Dropbox can also update itself automatically in supported installations. If your app is configured this way, you may not need to manually download anything. Just keep Dropbox running and allow the update to complete when prompted. If you don't see an update option, visit the official Dropbox website and download the latest desktop application. Choose the appropriate download for your computer, then open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Always use the official Dropbox source for the installer. Once the installer starts, follow the setup prompts. Depending on your system, Dropbox may close and restart during the process. Let the installation finish, then open Dropbox again and sign in if you're asked. After Dropbox opens, check the application settings or version information again. Compare the displayed version with the latest version listed by Dropbox. If everything looks correct, check the sync status and make sure your files are syncing normally. If Dropbox refuses to update, first restart your computer and try again. Also check your internet connection and available storage. If the problem continues, reinstalling the latest Dropbox application can help replace damaged or outdated program files. And that's how to update Dropbox and make sure you're running a current version. Check your version, look for an available update, install the latest release, and confirm that syncing works afterward. So keeping Dropbox updated is a simple way to avoid unnecessary app problems.